10-minute soft glam. Is it possible? Hello, welcome back to Effortless Elegance. And if you're new, then welcome to my channel. Today, I have a new one for you. Have you ever been in a huge rush? You wake up late, you have somewhere to be, you're overbooked, and you need to get this whole face together. Oh my gosh, we have somewhere to be, we have 10 minutes, and we're looking like... This look I did in 10 minutes. I am gonna show you how to get a full face in 10 minutes. I'm gonna time myself and you're gonna watch. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend like I haven't had to do this a million times in the rush of my busy everyday schedule. And I do already have brows on. Is that a rule breaker? I'll allow it. We're gonna do a full face in 10 minutes. I'm gonna time this on my phone. And you guys are gonna time it with me. We are going to start now. Foundation. I can't believe I'm not doing any editing on this. I usually mix two foundations together to get my perfect skin tone depending on season. I was physically prepared for this, but I don't know if I was mentally prepared for this rush. I am so shiny, oh my goodness. I need all the coverage I can get. Down my neck. Tart Concealer. Usually I would be a lot more precise about my application of my concealer because I really do use it as a highlighter as well. But when you're in a rush, you kind of just put it where you can. How stressful is this? Okay, for our eyes, we're gonna go into our Care Beauty palette. And we are gonna go peachy today, guys. We're gonna go into Babe and to Pure Soul. I don't care how much time you don't have, guys, always blend out everything. Your shadows, your contour. There's nothing worse than having something unblended. Okay, we're gonna go into this color called Hustle. So fitting, right? We're going to put this on the outer V and the crease. I always go back and forth when I do my eyes. I never just stick to one eye. Is that just me? Okay. Clean brush. Blend so that we look nice and soft and not like we did this in a crazy rush, right? Okay. We're gonna go back in with that same brush. And we're gonna go into a sparkly color called Charmer. We are gonna get that all over our lid. You know what? Just kidding. We're gonna use our finger. Using your finger, since it is warm, the pad of your finger, it normally picks up a decent amount of product. And you can always blend it in with the warmth of your finger. So it's crazy, guys, because I usually spend like more than 10 minutes on just my eyes. But ooh, it's the first time I use this palette and I really love the color payoff for this. Yes, okay, I'm spending too much time on my eyes. Blend on. Clean fluffy brush to blend out. This peachy yumminess. Okay, same brush that had product on it, going right under my eye to tie the two together. Typically I'd be a little more precise than this, but you know what? We don't got the time. Time check. Okay. Contour our nose. Again, blending with our fingers because that works the best. Eye curls. A little bit of mascara. Time check, 2 minutes. This is not wild. How many people have had to do this? Running out of the door. Lips are everything. Listen, you can pull some stuff off with just lashes and lips all day. So, oh, look how cute that is. Okay. This is in Coral Tutu. The I Am lip color. Gloss over this. I will put all of the makeup I used below. 1 minute, 19 seconds, guys. I'm gonna spend this time. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer because we have to bronze the face. And this is also like a highlighter. So anything you can get away with using 2-in-1 on your face when you're in a rush that does 2 things, do that. "49 seconds. Oh, blend, 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 blend. Highlighter. Blend this. Okay. I'm gonna use my finger, do my nose, my brow bone. 20 seconds. So, big fluffy brush. Wipe off any excess, anything. Two seconds. Time. Okay, so I'm not gonna cheat. This is my look. Coarse, a little bit of hair, never hurt anybody. So this is my 10-minute rush look. If I was in a rush and I had 10 minutes, this is what they would get. Work, school, anywhere I had to go. So, have you had to get somewhere really fast and needed to put a face on? So my tips and tricks for running out the door really fast is stay moisturized. That will save you in more ways than one. I would say stay moisturized the night before, do masks, take care of your skin, right? Self-care is super important. I don't know who needs to hear this, but doing the bare minimum for yourself is not self-care. So go the extra mile for yourself when you can. 2-in-1s. When I use the Fenty Beauty, this highlighter and bronzer in one, that saved me a few steps, right? Setting spray would actually help your face kind of last throughout the day if you don't have a lot of time to set everything the right way. And if you are a master at doing lashes, go ahead and pop those babies on. Do basic things like play up the features on your face that you really enjoy. Like your eyes are always a point of interest, your lip. Believe it or not, people really do stare at your lips when you speak. So put a pop of color on there. Like I said before, you can go really far with lashes and lips. If you just curl your lashes and put some mascara on, create some depth, maybe a pop of color, and explore your pop of colors, guys. I went this peachy look, which I normally don't do, but it's kind of feeling like spring out. And it's probably tricking us, but it still kind of feels like spring out. So I went yellow on my nails and peachy on my face, and I'm just trying to make the vibe of spring happen because I am a spring baby. So I hope this helped. Try this at home, stay practiced, and let me know what you guys think of this look and any details you guys would actually add to this or take away from. Keep it easy, keep it basic, keep it fresh face. Remember, a little bit of color goes a long way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you stay up on what Effortless Elegance is doing. Take the 5 minutes, take the 10 minutes. It's something I have to remind myself of all the time. You won't regret it, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Never underestimate the power of yourself.